For first-timers to Japan, a lot of the food here might certainly seem strange. For myself, one of the strangest and literally hard to swallow dishes is Tamago Kake Gohan, which is essentially a raw egg mixed with hot rice and often accompanied by soy sauce and other seasonings. The Japanese love for raw eggs is also commonly seen as a dipping condiment in famous Japanese dishes like sukiyaki. Now, since I was a child, I've always been taught never to consume raw eggs, or chicken for that matter, due to the danger of getting sick by salmonella bacteria. Salmonella can contaminate the outside of eggs or the inside of eggs through cracks in the shell during egg production, and the bacteria can survive in raw or undercooked eggs. Symptoms of salmonella infection often include fever, diarrhea, vomiting, and abdominal pain. I was more than a little hesitant the first time it was offered to me, but I was assured that in Japan there is a long tradition of eating raw eggs, as they are always fresh and of high quality, I guess compared to other countries. So how is the quality of these eggs checked? Japan has developed specialized egg checking machines that are devices designed to inspect and grade eggs based on their quality, size, and weight. These machines are widely used in the egg production industry in Japan to ensure that only high-quality eggs reach consumers. The machines use advanced technology with sensors that measure the egg's weight, check the shell for cracks or defects, and use a process called candling to inspect the egg's interior. Candling involves shining a bright light through the egg to reveal any imperfections, such as blood spots or abnormalities in the yolk. Based on the results of these tests, the machine sorts the eggs into different categories, typically ranging from A to C. Grade A eggs are considered the highest quality and are the ones that most consumers prefer. Japanese egg checking machines are highly efficient and can process thousands of eggs per hour. They are also very accurate, which helps to reduce waste and improve the profitability of egg producers. Okay, so the machines check for quality. Freshness is also super important in egg safety, and the standard time for egg delivery from the producer to supermarket in Japan is typically within 1 to 3 days of being laid. This ensures that the eggs are fresh and have a longer shelf life. So there's a little background on the subject for you. What about actually eating it? So, it's really easy to prepare. Just take a bowl of hot, fresh rice. Oops, not the best form. Crack the egg. Put it on the rice. Just a quick note that some people only use the egg yolk, while others use the whole egg. Add a little shoyu or soy sauce. Mix it up. Add some toppings, in this case nori or dried seaweed. And there you go. We were at a restaurant the other day and ordered a raw egg to go with our standard rice. I was shocked to see how it was served. Isn't this the cutest thing you've ever seen? It may be cute, but it wasn't really for me. But my better half loved it. What about you? Do you want to try it? Please let me know in the comment section below or in the poll in our community section of our main site. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and fun things from Japan.